In this video, I'm going to go over charting and how to set alerts on Lightspeed Trader. So in Lightspeed, when you have a chart open, click the settings and it will go to the Windows settings tab and make sure that you choose the chart that you want to be changing. First, you've got your chart parameters. You can change which periods you want, what time frames, and then you can save them. So let's say that I want a 10-minute and I want 34 bars back and I want market only, not 8 a.m. to 6. And then I can come over here and name it. We're going to name it just the 10-minute and hit add. And now I've added this 10-minute to my chart. Over here on the studies, I can add studies. So this will change how the candles are shown here. You can play around with that. This will be the studies. So these are the only options they currently have right now, but we can add things like VWAP, and it just added it to the chart. And I can hit add to toolbar. It adds it right here. So now I've got VWAP in the toolbar. Let's say that I want the RSI. I can add it to the toolbar, so it's up here. And if I just want to add it to the chart, I just hit add right here. Then it will actually add it to the chart rather than just the toolbar. Then on display, this you can just change the different settings of the actual chart style. You can change the color, font, and the styles. Tools here, this is where you will actually remove things if you don't want them in the toolbar anymore. Over here, some quick commands that your mouse can do. And here under trading, you can change the style or display. So right now it's not showing my orders on the chart, but if I click on these, it will show my orders on the actual chart, the executions, the positions, or whatever ones I want displayed. That's about everything on charting, but I also want to show you how to set an alert. So if you right click on level 2, you can right click anywhere except for up here, and it will give you the option to add the alert. If you click up here, it's another cool feature that you can actually see all the past stocks that you have typed into that level 2. So if I right click here, hit add alert, now you've got your alert and you can put in the price. And if you want it to be the last bid or ask, it will alert you when the stock hits that price, or you can do a volume alert as well. Once you set that alert, it'll show up over here in the alerts, and then you can delete them there if you don't want it anymore. Another cool feature is in that alerts, you can change it so that you can change the sound and you can put an expiration date to it. So if you want it to expire today so it doesn't alert you tomorrow, you can hit yes. So that's how you set an alert and how to use your charts. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.